Just got my Ninebot Kickscooter today, F40, and I got this off Amazon. Looks like it's kind of been opened up before. I wonder if, hope this is new, but I'll open it up and let's have a look at what's included. Looks pretty dinged up, and it's come over from Sydney. No, somewhere in New South Wales. The scooter's been out for some time. Decided to get one as they're not banned anymore over in Melbourne. So let's crack it open. This is what's inside the box. Looks new to me. Should be. And you've got an instruction manual. Looks like a pump attachment. What else do you have in here? These bits of foam. There's the scooter itself. Jeez, this thing's pretty big. Okay, see the handlebars, which is not attached yet. Still got the plastic on it. Pull that off. Must be a bit of power cable or something down here running up the handlebars. Okay, power brick, and you got the power cord as well over here on the right hand side. Okay, so let's just get this whole thing out of the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the scooter taken out of the box, and definitely new. I always get a bit worried with Amazon stuff like this, hear about them repackaging things and putting it back in as if it was new. Still got all the stickers and stuff here. You can see the display. There were a bunch of screws that I had to attach. These here, a couple more here on the back as well. And yeah, I was actually tossing up between getting this one, the F40, and the GoTrax G4, I believe it's called, but I ended up deciding to get this one because it's just had more time out in the market, better reviews, and from what I heard with the G4, it also battery life isn't so good. It's underrated, and there's issues like the cruise control, which you can't stop deactivating, it just automatically activates when you're riding, which I find annoying, kind of dangerous as well for new riders. And yeah, really funny, I've come from riding a motorcycle. Sold that off a few years ago. Yeah, maybe I might get one again, but you know, look at that. It's got a nice disc brake at the back, and brake calipers, and you can see yeah, pretty nice. I think there is a way also to adjust the caliper. Yeah, I'd have to have a look into it and just check how to do that as well. Tires feel pretty hard already. They might be pumped, and I'm gonna have to just check. Yeah, double check. Then you can see maximum load 75 kilograms. And apparently this scooter is rated for 265 pounds, which is 125 kilograms for anyone over in Australia. And yeah, on the website it says that it's rated for 100, but officially on the the Ninebot website it says it is rated for 120 kilograms, which I think is good for those heavier riders. These are just the bits and pieces that are included. The charging cables, there's quite a few in here. Probably don't need that one. It also comes with a spare tire with the tube as well, and I think that is handy. It feels pretty tough, the outside of the tire. Yeah, pneumatic tire. There's no suspension on this scooter, so I think you're going to need that. Yeah, that must go onto the actual valve, tire valve itself. So yeah, overall looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to install the app, get it fired up, and do a proper test run of this scooter. Overall, it feels really solid. Yeah, we're gonna just see how it performs. A little bell as well. Yeah, the way that it latches on, especially you unlatch this thing. Oh, there's a little, if you look here, just on the this little bit here, just unlatch it, oops, to the right, and then you pull this down, and that allows you to disconnect. And you can see now it goes freely downwards, and attaches here like that. Latches on handy, so then you can pick it up and carry it like that. It's really not too heavy actually. It's about nearly 16 kilograms. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and if you want to get this scooter, I'll pop the link in the description as well.